What is up? And today we're going to be shooting a bonfire. Grandad, say hello.
Hello.
Sorry you can't see him, but he's a grumpy old man. He's very tired. It's very late at night, but today what we're basically doing is we're shooting a bonfire. A normal, warm bonfire. We're not burning any merch. Oh, by the way, my merch is going to come out soon. Make sure you go get some. It's £2.50. Price is running low. Well, it's not sold out yet, but anyway, let's not talk about that now. Anyway, let's talk about Township, the best game currently me and Grandad have ever played in the world. How many likes do you want him to smash?
20,000.
20,000 likes. You heard him. You heard the big man. So today we are going to be talking about Township, talking about marshmallows. Why are you throwing more paper into the fire? Because it needs it.
Because it needs it.
And anyway, now we're going big time. It's starting to burn all that paper up. Sorry, we need to get some more fuel in the fire. Anyway, if you didn't know already, I've been shooting this channel for about 3 weeks now. I'm sorry you haven't got any recent content yet, but I've been shooting my channel, and yeah, we've been going good. Right, there's the fire. Anyway, bye-bye.